Hey everyone, hope you're having a great day. First off, just want to say thank you so much for your attention, for checking out my videos when I share these out. I really appreciate you. Make sure if you're watching this, give a little love. Make sure you share this with anybody that you think could be reasonable to share with. Something I wanted to just hit on very quickly today, believe it or not, isn't marketing related so much, but I thought it was really important to talk about. And I just want to set the frame of this in first off, I don't want to be, nor am I the motivational guy or motivational guru. That's not my thing. And I don't want to be that person. But I thought this was so fascinating. The Super Bowl, something I personally picked up from the Super Bowl yesterday that I thought was really cool and definitely worth sharing was Demi Lovato's performance, singing the national anthem, but not just the performance itself. What I started seeing and what I picked up on that I thought was incredible and worth sharing with you was the fact that 10 years ago, Demi Lovato put a tweet out that said, "One day I'm going to sing the national anthem at a Super Bowl. One day." And I just thought that was so cool and such a great example of real manifestation in real time. So again, I don't want to be that woo-woo motivational guy, but at this point in time with where we're at, there should be no doubts that manifestation is absolutely real, is absolutely the real deal. Where your thoughts go, energy's gonna flow. Okay, so wherever you're putting thoughts, intentions, even if you're not even really focused on it, but you are thinking about it, chances are it's going to come true. That's the craziest thing about the world that we live in, about just how the universe works. And it truly does work this way. Anybody great who's created something started with that vision and then pursued it. So just another kind of a great reminder that whatever it is you're going through right now, whatever it is you're trying to accomplish, okay, remember what your bigger vision is. Remember what the big goals are. Remember what the big, hairy, scary is. And that is something that will come true. It may not happen immediately, but if I even think back in my own life, every time I've put my intention towards something, where I live now, where I wanted to be at this age, okay, it's come true in crazy ways. And I'm not the only person that has experienced this. And so it's you got to be careful where you put your intentions and where you put your thoughts, because it will absolutely manifest itself. So I just thought that was really fascinating. I wanted to share that with all of you. Just another great proof of concept. This applies in your business, applies in your marketing, applies in your sales efforts, that you truly do have the power through intention, through thoughts, through words, through energy that you're putting out to manifest anything that you want. With that, share this with someone, tag someone who you think would like to see this, and I will see you folks on the other side.